In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Sign to sign PDFs online in 25. This process uses Adobe Acrobat's online services, which completely eliminates the need for printing and is an incredibly handy tool for signing documents digitally. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to get you signing PDFs with Adobe Sign effortlessly. First, we'll begin by navigating to Adobe Sign Online. Open up your preferred browser and make your way over to acrobat.adobe.com. If you already have an Adobe ID, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Adobe, don't worry, a free account is just a couple of clicks away. Simply follow the prompts to create one and join millions who are taking advantage of this digital convenience. Once you're settled on the dashboard, it's time to upload the PDF file that you wish to sign. You'll see options like sign and request signatures or fill and sign right in front of you. Depending on what you need, whether it's just you signing or you need multiple signatures, select the option that best fits your needs. To upload, you can drag your PDF document directly into the window or select it from your device, whichever works best for you. Next, let's dive into adding your signature. If you're the only one signing the document, you'll want to select the fill and sign option. Simply click on the pen icon to get started. Here, it gets a little creative. You can either type your signature, draw it using your mouse or trackpad, or even upload a pre-existing one if you have a digital copy handy. Drag and position your signature to the exact spot it needs to be, and you're all set. For those instances where you require additional signatures, you'll opt for the Request Signatures feature. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of other recipients who also need to sign. Adobe takes care of the rest by sending them a secure link for electronic signing, ensuring the process remains seamless and secure for everyone involved. With signatures in place, our next step is to save and share the completed document. Click on Apply to commit the changes, and you can download the signed PDF directly to your device or share it via Adobe's secure cloud service. Rest assured, Adobe keeps a signed copy automatically saved in your account, so you have access whenever you need it. One key tip before we wrap up: Adobe Sign is legally binding in most regions and complies with major e-signature laws such as eSign and eIDAS. This means you can trust it for business use with confidence. There you go, a complete guide on how to use Adobe Sign to sign PDFs online in 2025. I hope this tutorial makes your life a little easier when it comes to handling digital documents.